Career changes are becoming increasingly common as individuals seek fulfillment and alignment with their evolving interests and life goals. Understanding why people switch careers and how they navigate these transitions can offer valuable insights into improving career satisfaction. This comprehensive guide explores the reasons behind career changes and provides advice on how to make informed decisions about your professional journey. 1. Assessing career satisfaction. Identifying dissatisfaction. Learning how to recognize when a job is not right for you is crucial. Signs of dissatisfaction often include a lack of passion, no room for growth, or misalignment with personal values. Evaluating job fit. Regularly assessing whether your job aligns with your skills and interests can prompt a career change. Personality tests and professional assessments can help determine if your job is a good fit. 2. Discovering new career options. Exploring interests. For those unsure about their career path, exploring various interests and how they can translate into potential jobs is vital. This exploration can be particularly helpful for students or those early in their career journey. Career counseling. Professional career counselors can help clarify options and guide individuals through the process of choosing a new career, especially when they are confused or uncertain. 3. Reasons for changing careers. Seeking fulfillment. Many switch careers to find more fulfilling work that makes them happier and more satisfied. Adapting to life changes. Significant life events, such as moving to a new city or starting a family, can necessitate a career change to better suit new circumstances. Emerging opportunities. Advances in technology and changes in the job market often create new types of jobs that attract individuals seeking innovation and growth. 4. Practical steps to a career change. Skill development. Acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones can make transitioning to a new field easier. This might involve formal education or self-study. Networking. Building connections in a desired field can provide insights and opportunities that are not visible through traditional job search methods. Trial projects. Engaging in part-time work or volunteer projects in a new field can provide first-hand experience and a clearer idea of whether it's the right fit. 5. Knowing when and how to make a change. Timing the change. Deciding when to change jobs is crucial. It's best done when financially stable and after thorough research. Leaving gracefully. When deciding to leave a job, it's important to do so professionally, preserving relationships and networks for future opportunities. 6. Ensuring long-term career satisfaction. Continuous learning and growth. Committing to lifelong learning can help maintain job satisfaction and adaptability in your career. Regular self-reflection. Periodically reflecting on your career path and goals can ensure you remain on a fulfilling track. Conclusion. Understanding why people change careers and how they successfully navigate these changes is essential for anyone considering a new path. By carefully evaluating your current job satisfaction, exploring new opportunities, and planning effectively, you can make a transition that significantly enhances your professional and personal life. Get in touch with us. workerdirect.com, infoworkersdirect.uk.